Now that I made a project for getting me bounty, I will destroy that lucky kid.
It's so good to be with 3.6M bounty. Everybody then says how pro you are. Listen to this.
Oh my god, can I have the PG Gamer? You're so cool.
See? Okay, let's go.
I'm listening to my boss, and now I'ma be bounty hunter for him. Ha ha ha.
Let's go to second C. Wait, what?
Damn it. Lemma try again before he go to the second C.
I think I'm a dip. Wait, what?
Yes, my down plan is working.
What the hell?
Hello, Skibid.
AAA, what the fuck?
Ready to die, bitch.
What the hell?
These don't work on me, dumbass.
I ain't out of here.
Excuse me, can I have Kitsune?
What, permanent or not?
Just normal Kitsune. I'm okay. Thank you so much.
Oh.